Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay, I guess you guys can hear me. Okay, just let me know. If you have my number and you can't hear me, just text. I'm checking my text. Last sound check. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Can you guys hear me? Back to normal. Yes, yes. Okay, perfect. Anyways, what yeah, so I was looking for the truth, I was looking for the truth, and the truth is okay, you guys are distracting me now. Okay, so, and the truth is I was desperate to know the truth, and most of the time I think, let me tell you something. Celebrities have a life that not everybody understands, So you might seem to be happy, you might act happy, you might look happy on Instagram, but you could be miserable inside. And the problem about this whole thing, for example, social media, the problem about social media, some people have literally, they live a lie, and that lie has become a truth. For example, there's a guy who takes a picture in a Lamborghini. He knows he doesn't own it, and then he posts on Instagram, for example, he says like, "Oh, brand new car, I just bought a brand new car," and he has deceived himself so bad that he believes that's his car, to the point he will even fight on a comment section on Instagram to prove that the car is his. So you just have to be tired of that life. First of all, you have to be tired of faking. For example, there are people who love me, and there are people who love me. Maybe some of them love me for the wrong reasons, but you just have to understand, in life you can't just live to please everybody. You can't live for people. And for me, I found out, once I found the truth, I couldn't fake anymore. I couldn't fake anything. I couldn't fake happiness anymore. I couldn't fake success, because it was too strong in my spirit. It was too strong in my heart. I couldn't. Now I could be like this, So you can only imagine the pressure I had from the people, from the media, from my friends, family, all the people that I know. For example, most of my close friends were not close anymore, because you choose this route and we don't have so much in common anymore. But I still love them. I truly love them. I pray for them. But our relationship have completely changed, and it's okay, I don't regret anything, because you can't live your life off of that. For example, like, there are people I know who, for them to feel okay, or for them to feel good, you have to compliment them. You have to do something for them or to them. For example, like, I always give example of marriages. There are so many marriages out here. People are married for the wrong reasons. They're married because of selfishness. Some of them are married because they're afraid to be alone. Some people are literally married because everybody else is getting married. So, but at the end of the day, when you're in your house, you're gonna have to face your wife or your husband, and any of those people, they won't be there. They won't be the ones stressing you. The pressure will end there. So there's so many people who are doing everything for the wrong reason. So in life, there has to be a standard. Right now the world is completely a mess, like, literally. Whether it's politically, whether it's mentally, whether it's, like, some people now, we're living in a generation where, like, everybody, it's just weird. Like, 10 years ago, people who lived like 10 years ago, they probably won't believe what's happening today. And the reason why is because it's people are going, there's so much freedom that people are going away from the truth. Everybody's coming up with their own truth. And without a standard of the truth, the truth has a standard. Without the Bible, without the Word of God, without an authoritative book, manual, everybody's lost. The world is a mess. Today, we have girls who say they're boys, Next thing you know, there's going to be human beings who say they're dogs or they're cats. And everybody has to be okay with it because there's no truth. Everybody's coming, there's only one man in the whole history who claimed to be the way, the truth, and the life. I always tell my friends that nanu musazi urasa asare avuga amagambo. Musazi avuga ngo I'm the way, the truth, and the life, because everything revolves, literally everything is around that, the truth, the way, and the life. Every religion in this world, they talk about a heaven or some type of accomplishment, in the future when they die. In fact, and here's the thing, Christianity is not a religion. And those people who think Christianity is a religion, they're completely wrong. Because a religion is a man's idea of who God is. It's man's idea. So if you classify your ways as a religion, you're probably lost. Because you could be just doing something in your mind. So, but Christianity is a relationship. You have to understand these things. And as long as Christianity is a religion to you, you will not be fruitful. You will live a life just like anybody else. I see Christians, for example, who live their life trying to please the world, the rest of the world, trying to please people, trying to please their family. Yet, the Bible itself says, once you are going this way, everything else is naturally going to be against you. Because it's a spiritual life. And the biggest part people have to understand, man was created. There's really no such thing as that something came from the Big Bang. All these things. I had my own research about this stuff. In fact, most of the people that studied this, I believe it was in the 1800s. The people who created that theory, they went to a Bible college, surprisingly. So this is a way of you have to understand, we are here, for example, we are here for a reason and for a purpose and for a time. So you only have a window to do what you have to do. So you're not here forever. So which means if you miss it in this window, there's no other chance. You have to understand that. There's really no other chance. Now,